Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. So in this lecture, I'll be discussing the MCQ questions of my third internal data science paper. So the first question is, which of the following best describe the term data science? The option a field that uses programming languages. B, a field combining computer science, statistics, and data analysis to extract insights from data. Third, a discipline focused on mathematical modeling and regression techniques. And the fourth is technique for data visualization using graphical tools. So the correct option is option B, which is a field combining computer science, statistics, and data analysis to extract insights from data. Data science uses computer science, statistics, and data analysis. It brings three fields together to bring out the particular format of a data, to conclude the patterns, and to bring insights from the data. The second question is, which of the following is a key difference between hypothesis driven and data driven research paradigms in data science? So its correct option is A, because hypothesis driven begins with a specific question while data driven research starts with available data. Because hypothesis driven, we have to first make a question, and then according to our question we need the data. And while in the data driven, we have the data, available data. Now we have to make questions according to the available data. So the third question is, if you have a data set consisting of customer names, phone numbers, and email address, which type of data would this would likely represent? So it is structured data, because in structured data we have data in the form of rows and columns and with the particular label heading. So here the customer name is a heading, phone number is a heading, email address is a heading. Now, the next question is, given a data set of students' exam score, which of the following would be an appropriate measure of centrality for a squared distribution? So, the correct option is median, because if we use mean, there might be the possibility of outliers. So, and the variance also uses the mean method. Variance also includes the involvement of mean in it. So, the best method is median. A data scientist is comparing two data sets of customer demographics. Data set A includes height as a number, while data set B includes height as a string. Example 6 feet or 5'7". What is the primary issue with the data set B? So the primary issue will be the data is not in the format that can be analyzed mathematically, because in the data set B, we have the data, we have the height in the form of string. So the machine learning model will not cannot apply the mathematical steps on the string format. So first we need to convert the data into vector or numeric form. The next question is, suppose you have a data set with missing values and you need to clean it before further analysis. Which of the following actions would you take to handle missing data? So we use imputation techniques like replace missing values with mean or median of the data set. The next question is, which of the following data types is not typically a characteristic of big data? So the answer is low complexity, because low complexity generally occur in the structured data, unstructured data. Big data have high volume, high velocity, high variety. Next question is, what is the primary reason for using correlation analysis in data science? So to find the degree to which two variables are related. The next question is, you are given a data set with the following features: age, income, and education level. You need to predict whether a person will purchase a product or not. Which type of problem is this? So basically, it is a classification problem, because we are dividing the whether he will buy or whether he will not buy. So basically, we are classifying it into a category. Suppose you have a data set with missing values in the age column, which is quantitative. You are deciding between using the mean or the median to fill the missing data. Which of the following situation would make the median a better choice than the mean? The age column has extreme outliers, so we'll use median, because the outliers will basically shift mean towards them, and eventually the machine will not perform better. So the next question is, which of the following statements about correlation is true? A correlation 0 implies two variables are casually related. A correlation 1 means there is no relationship between two variables. A negative correlation means as one variable increases, the other decreases. Correlation implies causation. So the correct answer is C option. A negative correlation means that as one variable increases, the other decreases. Now, given that data is often messy and inconsistent, which of the following approaches would you take to ensure the data set is clean and analyzable? So, we examine the data for errors or inconsistencies and address them systematically. The next question is, which of the following would be considered an artifact in the data cleaning process? Missing values that cannot be recovered, a power outage that corrupts dataset during acquisition, a system problem introduced during the data cleaning process, errors in data that cannot be fixed by correction methods. So the correct answer is C option, that is systematic problem introduced during data cleaning process. Because many problems can occur, the data is missing, the data is not in the correct format, etc., etc. Which of the which data format is commonly used for structured data and can be easily processed in database? So the correct is CSV file, that is comma separated values, because we can easily load the CSV file, read the data from CSV file using the pandas library. Now you are comparing two data sets. One contains a list of customer name and email and the other contains purchase history. Which of the following would be the most important to check before merging the data sets? So the correct answer will be B option, whether the email address are consistently formatted in both database, because the email has a particular format like username at the rate particular email company.com, like Subhash Mishra and then a number 428 at the rate gmail.com. So basically, if we have to merge two data sets, we have to check whether the format of the email is correct or not. So this completes our 15 questions. I hope you understood the lecture. Thanks for watching. Bye.